Hey everyone, welcome back to Money Magnet. I'm Awais Ilyas, and today we've got a special episode for all you investors out there. We're going to unfold the secrets of the dividend world while I share my top picks for dividend stocks that you might want to consider adding to your portfolio. Before we dive in, let's quickly touch on why dividends matter. Picture a stream, steadily flowing, reliable, and predictable. That's what dividend-paying stocks are like. They provide a consistent flow of income, making them an attractive choice for long-term investors seeking regular returns. But how did I select these stocks? I looked at companies with a proven record of consistent dividend payments, a history of growth, and a robust financial standing. These elements combined make for a solid foundation in any investment. Now, let's dive into the first stock on the list. First on the list is, this company has been a staple in the market for decades now, and it's not hard to see why. With a solid foundation built on innovative products and services, has managed to carve out a strong position in its respective industry. This is no small feat considering the ever-changing landscape of the business world. Yet, has always shown an uncanny ability to adapt and evolve, allowing it to stay relevant and competitive. Now, let's talk about earnings stability. In this volatile market, it's crucial to find companies that can weather the storm and deliver consistent earnings. And that's exactly what does. Despite fluctuations in the market, this company has consistently delivered positive earnings. This stability is not only a testament to the company's resilience, but also its strong management and operational efficiency. But what makes truly stand out is its dividend growth. Over the years, the company has shown a commitment to rewarding its shareholders through consistent and growing dividends. The company's dividend payout has seen a steady upward trend, a clear indication of the company's confidence in its future earnings. This growing dividend stream can provide a consistent source of income for investors, making a great addition to any income-focused portfolio. Finally, let's not forget about the company's financial health. Boasts a strong balance sheet with healthy cash flow, enabling it to comfortably cover its dividend payments. This financial stability, coupled with its consistent earnings and dividend growth, paints a promising picture for the future of. So there you have it, is a reliable choice for income investors seeking consistent returns. With its strong market position, stable earnings, and impressive dividend growth, this stock can be a valuable addition to your portfolio. But remember, always do your due diligence before making any investment decisions. After all, your money is at stake, and you want to make sure you're making the best possible choices. Next up, we have our second stock pick. This one is a real powerhouse in the industry, known for its resilience in various market conditions. Its ability to weather economic storms and still come out on top is nothing short of impressive. This kind of resilience is something you want to see in a company when you're investing for dividends. It's not just about the company's durability, though. What caught my attention about this stock was its dividend yield. It stands out in the crowd, offering a sizable and consistent return to shareholders. Dividend yield is one of the key factors to consider when choosing dividend stocks, and this one certainly ticks that box. But it's not all about the here and now. A good investor also looks at the company's track record, and this company, it's got a history of consistent performance that speaks volumes. It's not just holding steady, it's steadily growing. And growth, my friends, is what we like to see. There's more to this company than meets the eye, though. It's not just resting on its laurels. It's always looking ahead. Its forward-looking strategies show a company that's not content with good enough. It's always striving for even better. It's constantly innovating, constantly pushing the boundaries, and that's a promising sign for any investor. In a nutshell, this stock has got it all. Resilience, a high dividend yield, consistent performance, and a forward-looking approach. That's why it's a promising pick for investors seeking both income and growth. It's a stock that doesn't just promise to pay out now, but also looks set to continue delivering in the future. So there you have it. Stock number 2 is a strong contender in the world of dividend investing, offering a blend of stability and potential growth that's hard to beat. It's certainly one to consider if you're looking to add some reliable dividend players to your portfolio. A promising pick for investors seeking both income and growth. Moving on to stock hash 3, a hidden gem in the dividend space. This company might not be in the limelight, but it's been quietly building a robust financial foundation that's worthy of attention. Let's first talk about its financial health. This company has a sturdy balance sheet with low levels of debt and ample cash reserves. This strong financial footing means it's well prepared to weather any economic storms that may come its way. It also gives the company the flexibility to invest in growth opportunities when they arise, while still maintaining a healthy dividend payout to shareholders. Now, let's shift our focus to its strategic positioning. This company operates in a resilient industry that's expected to see steady growth in the coming years. It's carved out a niche for itself, offering products and services that are in high demand. Moreover, it's managed to build a loyal customer base, providing a stable stream of revenue. This strategic positioning, coupled with its strong financial health, bodes well for the company's future profitability and its ability to continue paying dividends. But what about dividend growth? Well, this company has a commendable track record. Despite its low profile, it's consistently increased its dividend payouts year after year. This trend of steady dividend growth is a positive sign, indicating the company's commitment to sharing its profits with its shareholders. To sum it up, Stock Hash 3 may not be the most well-known name in the market, but it has a lot to offer. Its strong financial health, strategic positioning, and history of dividend growth make it a compelling option for those seeking a steady income stream. So, if you're an income-focused investor looking for a potential sleeper hit, this stock might just be the one for you. A potential sleeper hit for income-focused investors. So, there you have it. My top dividend stock picks for investors. We've journeyed through the landscape of dividends, exploring the promising realms of and. Each one of these stocks holds a unique place in the market, backed by a strong history and a promising future. Let's take a moment to revisit these stocks. A stalwart in the market with a consistent track record of increasing dividends. This company's commitment to rewarding its shareholders is a testament to its overall stability and financial robustness. Then we have a resilient performer that shines in various market conditions. With a dividend yield that's hard to ignore, this stock offers the potential for both income and growth, a combination that's truly hard to come by. Finally, we looked at a lesser-known player that's making waves in the dividend space. Despite its low profile, this company boasts a compelling dividend growth story, underpinned by strong financial health and strategic positioning. But remember, as much as we've delved into these stocks today, investing is not a one-size-fits-all game. What works for one investor may not work for another. Each of these stocks presents a unique opportunity, but they also come with their own sets of risks. It's crucial to remember that investing always involves a degree of risk. Market conditions can change rapidly, and what looks like a promising investment today may not hold up tomorrow. That's why it's so important to do your own research. Take the time to delve into the financials of these companies, understand their business models, and evaluate their future prospects. Consider your own financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. Only then can you make an informed decision that aligns with your personal investment strategy. In the end, it's about making your money work for you. Dividend stocks can offer a steady stream of income, providing a sense of financial security in an often uncertain market. They're a valuable tool in any investor's toolkit, and I hope today's video has given you some food for thought as you consider your own investment journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on all things finance related. Your support helps us continue to bring you insightful content, and we appreciate every single like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for tuning in, and happy investing.